is Pastor Osage Iyabo.
Destiny, I have waited patiently. I have been shown no irony. I can count the words stand up for the children of Jacob. Let me have a champion. Stand up for the champion. Stand up.
Let me first request that all the aspirants should please join the governors for a very short meeting now as I invite the candidate of the party, Pastor Osage Iyabo, to make an acceptance speech. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Ebonyi, I don't know how we can thank you for what you just did. We know the hours you spent with us yesterday, ensuring that everything we needed to bring a free and fair primaries was done. You made us to sign the ballot papers and you took us through the procedures. You gave us the guideline, you gave us the list of those who were accredited. And we had thought that this morning you would come sit down as a governor and watch proceedings. But today, you did what Professor Jega could not do. You practically supervised the process from accreditation to voting, sorting out and counting the results. We thank you very much. As we are thanking you, we want to also thank members of the electoral panel. They have done so much to ensure that this exercise was done in the kind of transparent manner that we saw. We may not be able to tell you thank you now, but let me give you an assurance that by the time you visit this year from December, a PDP governor will welcome you. That is the only way we can appreciate you for the great job that you have done. Let me also thank our governors. At the time when people thought PDP was finished, we are showing strength. I watched when the APC did their primaries. Apart from the governor of Katsina who came, and the governor of Edo who behaved as if he was contesting, I didn't see any other governor. But in our own case, two well-educated governors are here. Governors are here. Let's put our hands together for the governor of Delta and Gombe State. We are grateful, sir. We are grateful. I intend. No. The governor has been acknowledged. He came here to do an official duty. And please, you must appeal to them, because very soon they'll be admitting a brand new governor, and they must teach me the ropes. I look forward to learning from you, sir. Let me thank our state chairman and the leadership of our party. Anybody who wants to point accusing fingers at the state chairman will be very unfair. At every stage, he has been very transparent. If there is one chairman who did not follow any aspirant anywhere, who did not campaign for any aspirant, is our state chairman. He has worked so hard to make our party what it is. Not only is he looking after PDP members, the suffering people of Edo, they know that there is a place to go and they will get food, and that is the home of our state chairman. Our widows go there, our pensioners go there, our youth go there. So chairman, we thank you, and the only reward we can give to you for all that you have done is to assure you that from today we will not rest until our state is rescued from the hands of the APC. Let me also thank some of our leaders. The joy we have in PDP Edo is that the leaders of this state are in the party. We challenge the other party to mention who their leaders are. But in PDP Edo, we have Chief Tony Aneni. We have Chief Gabriel Ikirelio. We have Chief Tom Ikini. We have Chief Mike Obiagome. We have Anaji Oseto. We have Senator Issa Bremo. The list is endless. And today, you can see many of them. They are here because they want to send a message. And the message is simple. Adams Oshomole, your 8 years is up. There can be no continuity. We have tried you and you have failed. So on behalf of our elders, I want to thank them. And I want to assure them that we will not fail. Our members of the National Assembly, 2 senators out of 3, that tells a story. Our members of the House of Rep, 5 out of 9, it tells a story. In the House of Assembly, you all know what happened. We have 4 out of 24. But let me announce to you that before the end of the year, we would have a majority in the House. But let me also inform our excellencies with great joy that the members representing the governor Adams Oshomole's constituency, the member representing him is a PDP member. That again tells a story. Our delegates, our chairmen, our leaders. Today, there is no winner, there is no loser. It is a family affair. The real battle will be in the days and weeks ahead. And I want to assure all of you that we will not fail. On the 22nd, they are doing continuous voters registration. I appeal to all of you, go back to your works, go back to your units. All those who have not registered, ensure that they register. There will be time for celebration, and let me appreciate my two brothers who contested with me. Anybody looking at the results would agree that it is not the same as the charade we saw when the former governor of the state was scoring 8 and some people were scoring 5. This one, you can see that it was keenly contested. Somebody had to win. Let nobody be worried that they have gone. Before they left, they congratulated me. They spoke with me. They spoke with me. And I have the assurance that they are going to work with me. The party is one united family. We want to appreciate our crown prince, Etiakenu Selu. We appreciate him for the peace in the land. And as God and our people begin to prepare him to ascend the throne of his ancestors, we want to assure him that the government that is about to come is a government that loves tradition. It's a government that respects the traditional institution. So all our traditional rulers, all our religious leaders, all our elders and our youths, things are about to change for the better. Please, sir, before I close, permit me to sing this song. Come on, join me, sing our victory song. And though people have done us well, come on, join us, sing our victory song. And though people have done us well, come on, join us, sing our victory song. And though people have done us well, come on, join us, sing our victory song. And though people have done us well,
myself up.